Hi, good morning, all of you. Today we are going to explain about the SQL structure query language. Is the standard language for the storing and manipulating and retrieving the data in databases. We're having different type of databases: MySQL, SQL Server, MS Access, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, and PostgreSQL SQL, and so many other type of databases are also there. We are going to discuss about the SQL structure query language. In this we are going to discuss of the DDL, DML and DCL. Regarding of the DDL, data definition language, some commands in SQL structure query language, some commands are there. Okay, in structure query language, DDL DML DCL, data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language. In DDL, data definition language, some commands are there: create command, and alter command, and drop command. These are the three commands, SQL commands for the in DDL, data definition language. That means we have to create a table and drop the table and alter the fields. Suppose you are having a student name and roll number, you have to change the roll number. I have to change the contact of the student, you have to change the contact of the employee table, you have to change the field. Then you have to that particular command, it is used as alter table. Okay, create, drop and alter. These three commands are in data definition language. Okay, and next, DML. In DML we having a data manipulation language. We having insert, update, delete, lock, call, explain. Mainly most of the commands insert, update and delete. You have to insert a record, a new record. You have to insert a new student details in a student table. You have to insert a new employee record in a employee table. You have to update the details of a student table. You have to update the details of the employee table. That means you have to update particular field or address or a phone number of an employee table or a student table. Okay, I am giving two examples: student table and employee table. Next, delete. Delete is also how to suppose the particular employee is not existing in the company. You have to delete the particular employee details, or otherwise the employee service is completed. He or she, the particular employee is retired. That means we don't want the details. We have to delete the record. That delete command is implemented in the by the SQL structure query language. Okay, these are the three commands in a data manipulation. These are the three commands manipulate the data. You have to insert the record, you have to update the record, and you have to delete the record. Okay, next, data control language, DCL, data control language. It includes how to control the particular data with the help of some commands are there: grant and revoke. Okay, grant means giving a permission, access privilegeability. Data control language giving a the grant and revoke means we have one step backward, which means it deals with the rights and permissions of other controllers of the database system. That means access privileges. That means grant means we are giving a permission. Okay, commit is also one of the command. It is there: commit, grant, revoke. These are the three commands are there. Commit is means we have to the further changes are not implemented when we use the commit command. And grant is also one of the best command, giving a permission to the accessibility, access privileges by the user, whether he is a student or an employee. We can give a permission with the help of these commands: grant and revoke. Okay, revoke means one step backward. Okay, Okay, these are suppose you are selecting the customer details. the sample showing the giving an example with the help of W3 schools, and this is try it yourself. Select star from customers. I want to check the customer details. This is an already existing table. I have to check it out whether it is. Suppose you are writing the query in select star from the customers, you have to run the SQL query. This is the inbuilt table is already there by the W3 schools. This is the format in a tabular format. The first customer details, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country. These are the tabular format. So many records are there. So many bunch of records are there. Okay, each record is one tuple. Each record is one tuple. That means the first customer, first record, second record, third record, up to so many records are there. Okay, each row is nothing but a one record. Each row is nothing but a one record. The first customer ID, first row, the customer name, Alfred Christie and Mary Andres, and address Aubrey STR 57, city Berlin, postcode 12209, country Germany. These are the details of the first row, means first record. So many records are there. In this way we have to check the particular commands. Please go through the commands. Different commands are there. We have to how to create a DB, how to create a DB. Suppose you have to create a database, you have to create some Flipkart database or Amazon database, sample database of your sample schools. Suppose you have to create a database, create database name. After creating a database, these are the given statements. You have to go through the execution part and check the particular statement. Okay, after creating a database, how to create a table, how to create the table, create it, how to give the field names like customer ID, name, contact number, city, address, customer, create table name, column and data type. This is the way of creating the table, the create statement. Suppose you are creating a person's table, person ID, last name, first name, address, city. Here the person ID is an integer data type, last name is the varchar data type, first name is the varchar data type, address is also varchar data type, city is also varchar data type. Just now we have already seen the details. This is the tabular format. Each row is a record. These are the fields: customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city. Each field having a different data types. These are the data types. So with creating a table, likewise, after creating a drop, alter, these are the commands just now explained. Please go through it, and it is very easy. Without creating a database, we cannot create a table. After creating a database, just we can within the database we can create a table, and we can insert a new record, or update a record, or delete a record, alter a record, and go through the DDL and DML DCL commands. It's very useful, and please check it. Suppose you have to, these are the inbuilt given SQL query statement. This is the try it yourself. You can check it, the particular query is executing or not. Suppose I want to change the person's some company name, like college, create a college, and here college ID, just you have to try it. College, I am removing okay, college name, college ID and college. Just I am creating a college table. Okay, whether it is working, you may changes to the database. Okay, suppose you have to check could not prepare the statement table college already existing. That means the college already is existing. Have to check whether it is created or not. I am giving the best example with the help of W3 schools already existing tables. Those tables are already inbuiltly created. That's why suppose you have to practice means you have to install the Oracle database or PHP MySQL exam server. With the exam server we can do the database practice of the creating a database or inserting after creating a database you have to create a table and check sample records. You have to insert it and have to delete a sample record within the table and alter the table and update the table. You have to implement those DDL DML and DCL data definition language commands and data manipulation commands and data control commands. These are the basic commands. We can check it with the help of query, the given SQL query statements, and so many other different websites also supportable. With the help of installing of the exam server we can do it. Okay, otherwise the sample existing tables are available in W3 schools and please check it. It is helpful to understand the concept and how to as per the practice session we can install the exam server. The inbuilt database is also given with the help of PHP, Perl, Ruby and so many other language supportability is there, and you can check the query in a manual format or also recorded format. We can write a query statement with the help of exam server also. Okay, and thank you and please like and subscribe my Jai Sri Ram education channel. Thank you all of you.